In this episode of the Complete Liberty Teardown, I'm going to show you how to remove the electric power window motor. But first, we've got to do a couple things to get to it. Sometimes you find a little bonus treasure. Most of the time we only find trash. Nothing but cigarette butts and one lonely penny. I'll make new friends in here. In the lower part of the door, there'll be a small circular cover. This one doesn't have it, so we'll go to the back door. Grab your tool of choice and pry it open from the top down. Behind the handle, there's another trim piece that you'll have to remove. Just pop that off and it'll expose another bolt to remove. Same thing in the rear, but you will have a speaker. This one's disconnected, so before you pull it out all the way, make sure you disconnect the speaker. Once removed, pry at the door card while pulling up. This will give you access to the motor. Here's a closer look at the clip and how to remove it. Let's take a second look at that. Just look at the beautiful form on this. Now just remove the 3 excessively long screws and you're done. More to come as we strip every nut and bolt off of this Jeep Liberty.